folks, welcome to my How to What channel. Today I'm going to show you how to format your computer. You should first notice that formatting a drive will erasing all of your data on it and create a new file system which will be completely new. So you must be sure that you have any important files backed up to another location, such as an external drive or any way you can make it safe. Formatting is very useful if your computer is malfunctioning, or you are planning for selling by making your computer new and make free from virus. After setting your backup file safe, insert bootable CD or USB device into your computer and restart the computer and enter the setup screen when the manufacturer logo appears. The key to do this will be displayed, and varies by manufacturer. The most common keys are Del, F2, F10 and F12. Once in the BIOS menu, select the boot menu. Change the order of devices so that your computer boots from CD before booting from the hard drive. Save your changes and exit. Your computer will be restart now. Now you will need to choose your preferences by conforming language, time, currency format input method and click next and click on install, but be sure not to go for repair. You also need to accept the license terms, click it and go to next. Always go for choosing custom install, which will allow us to perform a clean installation. After that you can delete or format the partition, and Windows will ask you where to install Windows. Select the partition of your existing operating system and click the delete or format button. If your hard drive has multiple partitions, be sure to delete the correct one. Confirm for the deletion process. Now select the disk for installation. Proceed. Wait while Windows installs files. This part of the process may take up to 30 minutes, and will automatically restart your computer when finished. Setup will launch again, and a message will tell you that setup is updating registry settings. Setup will then configure your computer's services. A window will open letting you know that Windows is completing the installation. Your computer will restart again when this is complete. Enter your username and computer name. Your username will be used to log into the computer and personalize your account. Your computer name is the name that your computer will display on the network. You can also add more users later through the Windows 7 control panel. Windows will ask you for a password. This is optional but highly recommended, especially if the computer will be accessible by users other than yourself. If you'd rather not have a password, leave the fields blank and click next. Enter your product key. This is the 25-character key that came with your copy of Windows. Check the automatically activate Windows when I'm online to have Windows automatically verify your key the next time it is connected to the internet. Select your Windows Update option. To make sure that your copy of Windows runs securely and stably, it is highly recommended that you choose one of the first two options. The first option will install all updates automatically. The second option will prompt you when important updates are available. Select date and time actually to your location. Windows will now attempt to connect your computer to the network. This process is completely automated. After one final loading screen, congratulations, installation is now complete. Now your new Windows 7 desktop will appear. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.